Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, I got this kitchen knife that's been sitting here for months like this. Well, without the carbide file guide, but yeah, so I'm going to try to put some handles on it. And then I'm going to start two new folders. I got one that's marked right and one that's marked left, so let's hope we get them right. Alright, let's get to it. So I took a square and put it on the spine of this. Put the carbide file guide on there. That way we can get everything nice and clean and straight, at least straight with the spine. So I'm gonna hang the belt over just a little bit. That way it doesn't cut in square. We're just gonna kind of round off these edges. All right, let's do it. So I got this end mill that's actually like 6 inches long, and I already found middle, and here's the, I marked out where the tang's gonna go in middle. So I'm just gonna keep going down, and then move it over a little bit and go down, and then we'll slowly break the middle. Here we go. I got it set, so this, I think it ends right here. So it's basically where we need it. Alright, so this will get us about an inch to where we need to go. But it's not an end mill, it's just a drill bit. We'll see if it'll work. I can't believe that actually worked. It fits. It's only going down that far. Let's put that longer one in. So that looks about it. We'll zero that out. See if we can get this. Let's take it slow. Looks like about an inch to go. Pull out the old deal from Black Dragon Forge. We're getting there. Here's what I did last time. Yeah, I think the end mill was bending instead of, man, we are so close. Because I can make it a little bit more, we should be good. Oh, you know what I need to do? Pull this out a little bit. There we go. See, on the first kitchen knife I did, I was trying to, when I was doing it, I was coming this way and pushing out. And that's why on that, if you go back and watch, I'll put that video up in the cards. When I was shaping it, I actually broke through because I was going like that, trying to make it out like that. But yeah, we can't do that. We don't want to make it bigger down here. We just want to make it longer. I think that's good. Boom. So I thought I'd throw this in just to show how bad of a photographer I am. I got video down all day, but as you can see, I'm setting the knife up here, and I'm trying to get a good shot. Now, I suck at photography, but I already edited most of this video, and it's at like 8 or 9 minutes. So instead of getting all involved in these, this will be for the next video. I just gotta get some shots to get this up on my website. That and this knife. Oh man. Here we go. I already got this shot set up. It'd probably be easier to hold the camera instead of putting it on a tripod. But I'm not too sure how good I am at staying still. It's easier to hold a tripod than a little camera. No, I might have to give that a shot too. I figure it's a thing of numbers. The more pictures I take, the better odds I have of getting a good one or two. So for 2 knives, I'll probably take 15, 20 shots of each knife. Do I look ridiculous or not? I guess this is in your all's face too. Is that better? I mean, you would think I could just put up a video and be like, if you want to see how this knife's made, just go watch these videos and put links, but no one does that. It's all about what you see. I'll use the handle from this knife. It won't work. There we go. Get that Hamon and stonewashing to really pop. I'm kind of trying to go from corner to corner. Maybe it would be better to take the camera off the tripod, but I'm too afraid my hands will be shaky. I can always cut and paste everything else on this. Yeah, that would not look too bad. With all the mounts I put on the ceiling, like for that camera, I barely even use this tripod anymore. And since I don't do my intro anymore and all that, I really don't. Alright. Hey! Trying to get the light, because right now, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, right now the light's reflecting back into the camera. I can see that brass in there. I'm trying to get that brass hidden, so there we go. See, it's much easier just to do this than try to hold it. See, I can shake all I want and the camera's not shaking a bit. So now I gotta do that for the other ones. Hopefully next couple of days I'll put these up and write them all out and all that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of the pictures on this and then get on that. I'm gonna film it, but that'll be the next video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, leave some comments. Let me know what you do for photography. If you're a knife maker or anything, even if you're good or bad at photography, don't be afraid to admit you're bad at something, because it's the only way you're gonna get better. Let's see. That's what I'll do. I'll put the kitchen knife videos right here. I'll put my vlogs right here. Subscribe buttons right here. My website with hopefully these knives and shirts, all that good stuff. Amazon links, which are also down in the description. All that's there. All right. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, take it easy.